All right, so we're using a Carter 6,000-pound electric brake axle, 85-inch hub face, 68.5-inch spring pad. So we had to actually move the spring pads to 68.5 for this application and re-weld them. And the springs are going to be on top of the axle here. And let's just slide it in. Easy. Hey. So they're just getting it lined up with the spring pad. And then they're just going to attach the U-bolts back onto the axle to secure it onto the springs.
We use the same U-bolts on the backside, so he don't use this one.
I think that's why he left them out here, because he bought them last time, but he just reused the old ones.
Yeah, because
they're
they're coming
still
out
good.
easy, the other one anyway.
Yeah, so
I mean, use the same one. I mean,
yeah, might as well. They're still good.
yeah, I mean, he coming out easy. Yeah, vamos a usar la misma. Okay.
They're a little bit.
What?
It might be faster. So you just attach the U-bolts just like so. Make sure not to pinch your wires in there whenever you do it. And make sure the wires are always in out the back side facing the back of the trailer, or the RV in this case. That's how you'll know you got it on track. The wires will always be facing towards the back. That's how you'll know left or right. One way.